Hey guys, what's up? It's Zyler with Handskate, and today we're going to be doing a kickflip tutorial.
Move like the move like
In order to do a kickflip, there's a couple things that you should already know. You should be able to do a shove it, which looks like that, and maybe an ollie too. So these tricks are pretty easy to do and pretty easy to learn, and they're really fundamental to be able to do a kickflip, just so you could get used to like spinning the board and doing stuff with your hands. So make sure you have those down, and then when you feel that you're ready, you could go ahead and try a kickflip. So pretty much what a kickflip is it's like an ollie, but instead of just going straight up and doing a no flip, you're going to use your front hand and flick it like that. And the board's going to do a 360, midair, land, and right away. So this is a pretty cool trick, and it's one of the fundamentals of skateboarding as well. So a couple steps of the kickflip. You're going to want to pop your kickflip. And how you do that is basically how you would pop an ollie. So you're just going to pop it straight down, like so, with your back hand, just getting a nice straight pop down. And you can practice this by just going like this. Just get a nice little pop going there. And then when you feel comfortable with your pop, maybe take your front hand on there. So do a little bit of a pop with your front hand, just like a mini ollie. And then, instead of just going straight and sliding your hand up like you would with an ollie, you're going to go off the side a little bit, so a little bit diagonal. So that should look like something like that. And there you have the kickflip. So you pop it and you flip off with your front hand. And then you got the flip. And you should definitely practice that, just trying to flip the board as like controlled and just like a single kickflip. And then you should try to land the kickflip. So in order to do that, all you gotta do is just do the pop, the flick, and then a land. Looks something like that. So this takes a lot of practice, and if you're having any difficulty, there's a couple problems that you might encounter. And one of those is under flipping. So if the board under flips, it usually just means that you didn't flick it hard enough, or you didn't slide off your hand in the right place. So that could happen by going like that. Doesn't work. So you gotta flick it a little bit harder, and then you get the full rotation. Some other problems, maybe you're missing the flick. This could happen too. I do this sometimes. You don't flick it. And that's a problem because you can't do a kickflip unless you flip. So just make sure that you pop and you flick and it does the rotation and you catch and you land, and it should be beautiful. And that is how you kickflip. Thank you so much for watching. I hope today you learned how to do a kickflip on your handskate, and I hope that you keep handskating and having fun with it. So if you want to learn more tricks and see more tutorials and how to have fun with your handskate, subscribe to Handskate Incorporated on YouTube. Leave a like and comment below what you think we should do in a future video, and I hope you guys keep handskating.